Hey there, business owners. Your products are live on Google Shopping. Great. That means more visibility and more customers. But Google Shopping isn't a set it and forget it system. Policies change, rankings shift, errors happen. Without regular maintenance, your listings could disappear without you even knowing. That's why we created the Google Shopping Maintenance Plan. Just $249 per month, exclusive to our setup clients. We handle monthly product updates, up to 20, feed optimization, titles, images, descriptions, policy compliance monitoring, category and tag refinement, price and stock syncing, monthly health checks, performance reporting with recommendations. Running a business is tough. You shouldn't have to babysit your listings. We prevent disapprovals, policy violations, outdated info, and lost sales. Stay optimized, compliant, and competitive without lifting a finger. Click the link to subscribe and keep your Google Shopping running at full power. For help, email us at admin@boostkings.com.au or call +61 489 26422.